Okay, so my Sparco Grid Q just arrived, and love the seat. Actually, very comfortable, and the dog loves it too. So these are going to go in the car. I ordered one to see what the fit was. Definitely very nice. So yeah, looking forward to getting this thing installed. I haven't bought mounts or anything for it, but we'll get to that. So one thing at a time. But the dog definitely, she's ready to go for a ride. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another episode of the Cobra Daytona build. On this episode, I'm just going to show you what finally arrived. I've had these things on order. Well, I've got one. The other one's back ordered for another 12 weeks. But I got my Sparco Grid Q seat. Fits perfect in there. Thing is comfortable as all get out. Definitely needs to be tilted back just a few degrees, maybe 10 or 15 degrees, which once I get the brackets in, I'm going to put sliders under the driver's side. As you can see, I got most of the panels in now too, so the car is actually making some progress. I'll show you that in another video. But yeah, I just had to show those things, and I said much better, much safer than the standard Roadster seats, the little buckets that I got with the car, but they're not safe. I mean, there's no head protection against that rear roll bar, which is, you know, as you can see, you got this thing will keep you in there. Can't hit these, so in the end, way safer seat, and that's kind of why I went with it. Plus, for the track and everything, autocross, it should really hold you in. You know, I'm about a 32-inch waist, probably 34 is max on that seat. I think they say 36, but I think you'd be in there like a sausage. But great seat, so thanks again for watching, and quick little episode just to show you the seats that I've decided to go with. And I did that because one of the guys on the forum, he's down in LA, he went with this seat. He had them really beautifully custom upholstered. I mean, gorgeous seats. But I'm not planning on doing that. I kind of like the look there, very race car-ish, and I think I can buy new covers for those once they do wear out, but I'm not positive on that. So thanks again for watching. Hit subscribe if you want more. Thanks.